Hello, my name is Alex and today I'm going to explain to you the difference between orange yolks and yellow yolks. So if you're wondering, orange yolks I got from a close friend of mine that lives 3 doors away that breeds chickens. And then yellow eggs are just like store-bought eggs. So the difference is that yellow eggs are from improperly bred chickens. They are not fed enough and they are in very tiny coops. And so the yellow yolks come from unhealthier chickens, while orange yolks are from chickens that are fed enough and they are properly bred and they live in a large enough coop so they can lay properly.
Free-range chickens.
Yes, aka free-range chickens.
So you're saying that free-range chickens are healthier.
Yes.
And this proves it. And this is a comparison.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you have an orange yolk, then that means it comes from a healthier chicken, and if you have a yellow yolk, then it means that it comes from an unhealthier chicken.
Cool. So why don't you let us know what tastes better when you're once you eat the eggs?
All right.
Okay, let's do a taste test.